Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sheet and selecting the exact column to fix. First, make a quick backup so mistakes are reversible, then click the column header or press Ctrl+space to select it. Once selected, inspect for filters, frozen panes, or protected ranges that will block edits and remove or adjust them. Also glance at formatting and data type inconsistencies so you know what you'll change next. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds the repair steps. You now diagnose the issue and apply targeted fixes. If values are stored as text, use format number or value to convert. When delimiters are wrong, data split text to columns. Once done, trim whitespace with trim and fix characters with substitute. Use formulas in a helper column so you can preview results before replacing originals. Make sure to leverage conditional formatting to highlight anomalies and data validation to prevent future bad entries. This keeps the column consistent and auditable. You finish by committing fixes and adding protections. After verifying helper column results, copy and paste special values over the original column so formats and formulas don't break later. Then, reapply filters, freeze, or protect the column if needed to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, check formula ranges, pivot table sources, conditional formatting rules, and sheet permissions. One common fix is repairing broken references or removing stray invisible characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.